Hello, welcome. I'm Looby Macnamara and I'm here with Andy Goldring, who is going to be co-facilitating with me on the CEED course in September, the Cultural Emergence Effective Design course. And so, Andy,
Hi,
firstly,
Libby.
thanks. Firstly, yeah, tell me what excites you about coming to teach on this course with me?
Okay, great. So a number of things. I guess one thing I'm excited about is I think we've got quite complementary styles actually. I'm quite kind of efficient and tick boxes, and you're kind of more flowing and webs. And I think that's a kind of quite nice combination of you could say masculine, feminine energy, or you could also say just different approaches that we have. And I think we work well together. And I like being in your company, and you're a creative person. I'm sometimes creative too, and I think our different styles will, create a nice course, nice space, creative space, yeah, I think we both bring quite different sorts of theory and practice. So I guess the first element to it is the kind of complementarity that we each bring to it, and yeah, and of course we're yet to see what amazing participants we'll have, but that will obviously bring in another dimension, which I really love as well. And I think having 5 days in a really beautiful location where we can really kind of spend some time, get a bit deeper about things, I think it's going to be great. So yeah, time with you, time with participants in a lovely space, getting deeper than you do normally. So that's maybe one aspect. Then I think the other aspect is just the topic, cultural emergence. Well, hey, really seems like we might need some cultural emergence right now.
Yeah.
And obviously both of us are really steeped in permaculture. We've already got that kind of permaculture aspect. And then we've both kind of looked at the kind of cultural side in maybe quite different ways as well. Obviously I've done this new shape competition project, which was all about emergent dynamic governance ecosystems. How do we govern ourselves, and how do we work together to create the world we want? And so just having some time to think through and go further with this whole aspect of how do we create a new situation through using the skills and resources we've got as human beings. How can we kind of rethink how we work together? So exploring the topic of cultural emergence, I think, is the second aspect. And I'd be interested to see what you've got to say, and very kind of keen to share what I've got, and you see how that kind of reconfigures in a new way, what will emerge from bringing that different theory and practice together. So yeah, and I'm sure there'll be some good sort of fireside stories and some fun too. So I think that's what I'm looking forward to.
Yeah, thank you, Andy. I'm really looking forward to what emerges from the course as well. I mean, I've done this course several times, and each time new insights come out, and we'll be taking participants through the design web, so everyone comes away with a design that they can use in their life, as well as then knowing the tool and the method for taking it forward. And certainly there's so much happening in the world at the moment that people can there is a sense of fear and overwhelm, and really with the cultural emergence effective design, it's about moving us forward and being proactive and doing what we can and really being effective. I am also effective and efficient as well.
I know you are. Yeah, absolutely.
As well as flowing and creative. So bringing those and there will be lots of fun and amazing conversations, I'm sure. So do join us, and if you'd like to.
I've worked out what my design's going to be.
Oh yes, tell us.
I'm going to do a design while I'm there as well, by the way. I'm going to see how we can build the Permaculture Association membership. How our membership could emerge, how we could have thousands of people working together in Britain. So that's what I'm going to try and weave through the course for myself.
Yeah, wonderful. So we'll have new designs from everyone, including Andy.
Yeah,
And yeah, and myself as well. I love to use the design web and see what comes out of that. So yeah, it's going to be a great opportunity. Is there anything else you'd like to share, Andy, with anyone?
no, I think maybe we've covered it. I just really look forward to seeing who comes and working with them. And yeah, I guess my favourite phrase about learning is, which maybe I'll share, is learning is not knowing. And I think we'll all move. None of us know what's going to happen, and that's exciting because we'll all learn something. I will learn a huge amount, and I'm really looking forward to it. And I'm looking forward to sharing that learning with other people.
Yeah, lovely, lovely. And yeah, we will be using the tools as well, moving them forward so that we
Yeah,
can embody them and embed them in our own lives for creating cultures of effectiveness and productivity and creativity for ourselves, which will then hopefully ripple out and have
indeed.
many positive effects in the world. So yeah, if you'd like to join us on the course, do check out the website applewoodcourses.com, and also there's a free pay-as-you-wish taster course if you'd like to find out more about cultural emergence. So great, thanks a lot, Andy.
Okay, thanks. Bye, Libby. See you soon.
Bye bye.